You don't need a laptop to edit stunning videos. All I use is this phone and a few apps and some crazy hacks. Let me show you how I edit pro level videos even with low storage. Hey there, I am Wapoenko, and in today's tutorial I'll walk you through exactly how I edit high quality videos with my phone. With no laptop, no excuses. This method works for YouTube, Instagram Reels, TikTok, and even client work. So step one, get the right app. First, I use CapCut or VN. If you're just starting out, the free version of CapCut is powerful enough. Download it from Play Store. There are many other apps like InShot, KineMaster, Aligned Motion, depending on your use. Step 2. Set your canvas. Open a new project and set the aspect ratio based on the platforms. For YouTube, 16:9. For TikTok and Reels, 9:16. Step 3. Basic editing. Start by cutting all the chunks, zoom into the timeline, and trim out anything that is boring or extra. Step 4. Transitions and effects. This is where it gets spicy. Add smooth zoom ins, camera shakes, or cinematic transitions. Add smooth zoom in, camera shakes, or cinematic transition using CapCut built-in features or by keyframing manually. Step 5. Add music and sound. Head over to the audio tab and add background music from the YouTube audio library. If you intend to upload the video on YouTube, don't use the CapCut music because it may lead to copyright issue like copyright claim or copyright strike. Then a fine-tune volume and add whisper sound or cinematic booms to match transitions. Want me to teach you how to edit videos like this from scratch? Drop it in the comments. Save this video so you don't forget the easy steps. And follow me for more no laptop video editing tutorials.